Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Yash Deshmukh on YouTube. Today we are going to make an application of map on MIT App Inventor. There will be two parts for this video. In this video means the first part, we will make an app in which when you will click the location button, so at that time your location will be displayed on the screen. In the second part means the next video, we will make an app in which when you will click the location button, so at that time the Google Maps will be opened and you will get your location on the screen. So now we are gonna make our first part of the map application. But before starting, I'll show you the practical of our application. So this is the app here. Now I'll click the location button and at that time this app will track my location and will show on screen. So after clicking button, you can see your location. So this is my location here. It's showing Parbhani. Now let's get started with our app. So to start the project, firstly you have to go to the app inventor and then start the new project. Okay, so here is the screen. You can see the designing components. So firstly you have to design all the things so that when you will start the app you will see that. So firstly you have to take map, so you will get it in the maps. So here is the maps and here you can see the map, so just drag and drop it. Now you have to adjust the screen into fill parent. So here you can see the height and width, so just click on it and here is the fill parent and just OK. Width also fill parent. Now here you can see the screen, so you can zoom in, zoom out. So now we have to take a button, because when you will click the button, so at that time your location will be tracked and you can see on the screen. So here is the button in the user interface, so drag and drop it and you have to change its text. So here is the text, just cut it and write location. Okay, now you can see your new text here, location. Now lastly you have to take a sensor, okay, to sense your location. So here is the location sensor in the sensor, so drag and drop it and you can see it in the non-visible components. Okay, so these were our components, the button one, the map and the location sensor. Now our designing is completed and now we have to go towards the blocks. So here the blocks are so simple because there are only 5 components here. So our first step is to take a button. So here is the button 1, just drag and drop the when button 1 click 2. So here is the button 1. Now go to the map and you will see pan to latitude, longitude, zoom. Now drag and drop it and insert it here. Okay, so now go to the location sensor and you will see location sensor 1 latitude and location sensor 1 longitude. I need to take the both, so I will just copy it and then adjust the value of longitude and then insert it here. Now we have to make a zoom so that when you will go in the map, so you can zoom a value. So here go to the math, now scroll up and here you can see the value of 0. So cut the value of 0 and then make it as you want. So I will make it here 10. Okay, now here is the value of zoom, which is 10. So now here our designing and blocks are all done. So now we have to build the project. So here you can see the build option, so just click here and app provide QR code for .apk. So click here. Now your code will be compiled and there will be a barcode, just scan the barcode. So now here I have scanned the barcode using the MIT A12 companion app. So here is our app. So here you can see the map, you can zoom in, zoom out. So now I will click the location button and it will sense my location and tell me in the screen. So now here I have clicked the location button and now it is showing Parbhani. So guys, if you liked my video, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.